up there. See forget this Abobi that is with you. If you know your name is Eze or whatever they call you, cross this line. If I don't break your head, call me bastard.
Don't mind this village champion. These area boys. You think we are running? No, we are not running. Just cross this line.
Try it.
Hey, and we will show you the stuff that we are made of.
See,
we will show you
we have
Abobi. You want to try?
See it.
You want to try? Cross the line and see.
So, because you people have entered your compound, you now have mouth to talk.
Yes. Yes. Don't mind them.
No problem. No problem.
Don't worry, let's go.
Go!
Let's go.
Shut up. This guy is just lucky that we are not in the mood.
I'm telling you, if
With that, shut up. I have to beat this boy. Hold me. Hold me.
Wow.
No. Maybe I'm if you follow me, go beat this guy now.
that one give
He's coming now. He's coming.
Hey, come back here. What have you done again? I am asking you. What have you done again? So I'm talking to you. You are here laughing at me.
Sorry, Mama.
Sorry for yourselves. Now, what have you done again? In fact, I'm tired of the two of you. Yes. Every time from one problem to the other. Adanna, can't you see how your twin sister behaves? So responsible. And you, Zamaka, your mother, my younger sister, sent you to the village to stay with us so that you can bend down and study your books for upcoming JAMB exam. All you are doing in this village is to be following Adanna to constitute nuisance. Continue! Mba! Gabaniru!
Mama, what do you expect us to do? They are the ones looking for our trouble.
Who is looking for your trouble?
Those village boys.
Yes, Mama. We did not do anything to Eze and his friend, though. But you want us to keep quiet for them.
Yes, Mama.
But you told me you borrowed money from Eze 7 years ago, and you refused to pay him.
Hey!
It's not true.
Me said that.
It's not true.
When?
Adanna.
No, it should be in the dream, Mama.
Samaka, you can bear me witness
it's in the dream. I know.
Adanna! You borrowed what?
Mommy, how can I borrow money now?
Money?
She didn't borrow any money.
Hey!
You borrowed money from Eze.
You want to mind your business?
Adanna,
You want to mind your business? Don't have respect. This is your mouth.
Stop! Don't mind her.
She talks too much.
Adanna.
Where do you think you're going to? You must pay my friend his money today.
I'm Adanna. I'm not Adanna.
You are lying. Stop lying, my friend.
You must bring that money today.
Pay me my money now.
I'm Adanna. I'm not Adanna.
Don't mind her, she's
Think
the
you
one.
can deceive me? Huh? Yeah, kneel down. Kneel down, my friend. And hands up. Close your eyes. Close your eyes.
You must pay my friend his money today.
I'm Adanna.
Hold on, Hold on, she's the
Adanna, do you want to kill me? How, Adanna? Look at what they did to your sister because of you. Did I do wrong to give birth to you, Adanna?
No, Mama. Mama, I'm sorry. Adanna, I'm sorry.
Sorry for your stupid and foolish life.
Mama. Hey, we are sorry. It was a mistaken identity. They mistook Adanna for Adanna. That was what happened.
Mama, it's not my fault that we resemble each other.
It's not her fault.
You too. You should be sorry for your stupid and foolish lives. Mama,
we are sorry now. I don't know, sorry. Forgive us.
I don't know.
We're sorry.
Stop crying now. You are crying like a baby.
Everywhere I go, because of identical. Is it a crime to be a twin? Why must I suffer for what I know nothing about?
Maya miracle take you.
Onye kotelaku, ejimamu kotelaku, mana ejidagamo, komu duka duka tibe. Onye kotelaku, ejimamu kotelaku, mana ejidagamo.
Seriously, I can't really wait to have you as my wife.
Me too, I can't wait. If not that my mother insisted that I must first gain admission into the university before marriage, by now, I would have given you kids. You know that.
But wait, sweetheart. This is the third year you're taking this jump. And your result is really poor.
I know it's the third year, but you won't blame me. At least I need to be registered into a special center where I can be taught properly.
Okay, that's not a problem. Yeah? I will just try and get one. Okay, I will pay. You and your twins. Even though Zamaka, if you want.
I love you. Thank you.
Where's Zamaka, by the way?
Down the outside.
Oh, the outside?
Yes.
Okay, no.
Even I don't know.
Don't know how much I admire you. And I want to have you as my woman.
Thank you so much for that. But you know, your friend is dating my twin sister. And you're living with him as well.
Cut off that trash. It does not matter. What matters here is I like you so much. And besides, I'm here for a shot. I will soon get my own place. You know, go?
But just give me some time to think about it.
I should give you some time. Okay, I will do that.
Thank you. So how are you?
What are these people?
What's the meaning of this now?
Why are you guys blocking our exit?
Come on, Ayan.
See, we have been here waiting for you. Tell that your girlfriend. Tell Adana to pay me back my 10,000 naira because next time I will catch her, I will just kill her. Oh, thank God she's here.
Hey, one minute, Biko. Hey, Biko. Wanna go to her?
Collect your money. Make sure you collect your money.
Biko. Hey, see, Wobi. Yeah, see. I will pay you guys back. I will pay back. I will even add the extra 5,000, Biko.
Wait, which five? It's only 10,000 naira you're going to give me. Only 10,000 naira. What do you mean?
Butu. I'm also from this village. You guys should calm down. Eh?
See, Eze, you see that 5,000 naira?
I say shut up! Biko, yeah? So you guys...
Wait, let me count it.
The money is complete now. The money is complete. I say shut up!
This is the one your girlfriend is only.
That's 10,000 naira.
No, it's not complete. It's 4,000 naira.
I count the money well now.
It's 4,000 naira now. See.
Oman say. Don't worry, Oman say. Come on, sir.
Close your mouth.
Oh yeah. I say, will you shut up?
See,
It's okay. It's
just thank your God. I would have killed you and give your body to the vultures. Hey! You done it.
It's okay. It's okay. I've given you guys the money. It's okay. You guys can go now, please. Can we now go? Can we go? I've given you the money. Can we go, please? It's okay. It's okay. Huh? I can't believe my eyes. Huh? If you weren't there, I would have said the boy is lying. How can you go and borrow money from a street boy? Huh? Am I not trying?
Obim, I'm so sorry. It's just that my mother was very sick and I needed to get drugs for her.
At least you would have told me. Huh? I know I'm not giving you enough, but at least I'm trying.
Obim, I know. You knew that you gave me 20,000 naira 2 weeks ago. And you were telling me after then that you didn't have enough money. So I didn't want to bother you.
This is not nice at all. This is not nice. It's so embarrassing.
Obim, I'm so sorry. Please forgive me now. Are you going? Please. Now. If I catch that Eze, that Eze is just so stupid. I know what to do.
It was something else. The other teacher was like telling us, you have to know how to. Come on. Orange.
Who is selling the orange?
Who they sell? Oh, one buy, Biko.
Who is selling orange? Who is selling?
Who is selling? We want to buy, Biko.
How can somebody leave his or her market here and just disappear like that? Eh?
Onyenere, we want to buy.
If you must buy, let's wait and see if the person selling will come out. Or we'll go. Me and you. Wait for where? No, let's pack this way.
Let's pack and go since they don't want to come out.
Adanna. Who's Amaka? Let's wait for the seller.
Adanna. Let's go. Una there.
This orange will be sweet too. You know that?
Yes.
Mama, welcome.
Thank you.
Mama, welcome.
Hey, Mama, welcome.
Orange.
Hey.
Did you buy it on your way coming?
Mama, don't touch it, though.
Huh? I shouldn't touch it?
Yes, Mama.
What happened?
Busybody.
What happened to the orange? Is it not sweet?
Mama, don't touch it.
This one for you. Don't worry.
Mama, take orange.
Orange
is good for the body. Mama, there is a reason.
Is it not sweet? She said there is a reason. What happened? Why? Tell me what happened. Why?
Mama, orange is good for the body.
Orange is vitamin C.
Orange is good for the body. Mama, there is a reason.
Is it not sweet?
Very good.
Ezichima inakwanso onye kotelakwu ejimamu kotelakwu mana ejidagamo ko amudukaduka ntibe onye kotelakwu.
Hello, who is there? Which orange?
Where is my orange?
Adanna.
Where is my orange? Where is my orange?
It's not me,
Where is my orange? Who took the orange from you?
My twin sister. Not me. It's you.
Where is the orange that you took from my daughter?
No, again. What happened?
Your daughter.
Your daughter. Leave her alone. She's not a thief. No, again. What happened?
She took the orange I gave my daughter to sell today. I ran away.
Mama, that was what I was telling you in the
Telling her what?
That's orange.
Yes, Mama.
No, she is not the one. Yes,
I
she's
don't
not
care.
the
I
one.
don't care whether it's her or I don't care. All I want is my orange.
Madam,
that's just what I want. My orange.
Is it this one?
I don't know. I don't get to you. I don't know.
She said that you people stole her orange.
Yeah.
Hey!
From where?
Did you see any orange?
I didn't.
So that orange you people are licking here this evening, you stole it from this woman.
Which orange?
Mama, hold on.
Mama, why?
At your age.
Why?
What is it? What happened?
I don't care. Where's my orange? Where's my orange?
Why what? Wait, how much is the orange? Tell me how much? How much? How much is the orange? Shut up! How much?
Mama, I am here to seek your consent. Sincerely like your daughter here. Yes, Mama. And I want to let you know that I'm a genuine man.
I can say it.
And I want your blessings.
I can say it. I will definitely bless you and my daughter.
Amen.
Hey, Nnam. Iji barabi Joma. And because you have good intentions, that is why you came to me. Eh?
Thank you.
It shall be well with the two of you. Ada, over to you. What do you have to say about this?
Mama, I think I like him.
Hold on. Chelo. You think you like him or you like him? Which one?
Mama, I like him. Hey! Adane, do you know you're so shameless? How can you agree to date my fiancé boy?
Never Ikeguru. Onya na-enye nri. He's even squatting with Okenwa. A squatter!
What is wrong with two of you? Sometimes you both talk as if you were raised by irresponsible parents.
Eh?
Yes.
But we are saying the truth. Yes, I don't want my sister, whom I love so much, to end up with a boy and start suffering tomorrow. That is why
I like him like that.
That is Shaki.
And I love him like that.
All their children will be cut over, short.
with his water.
That bad.
The two of you are smiling. Lucia and Adora.
Yo! We are finally here. Now you begin to ask questions because we just entered the village. I'm so happy. I'm so happy that we're here. I mean, away from all the traffic, all the stress in the city, no fresh food, nothing. You will see the fresh food that you'll be eating, don't worry.
Yes. Me, I'm not happy. This village is going to be so boring for me, and I know, because I don't even have any friends here in the village. And your project is going to give us here for 1 year.
Well, Dad, I like the village.
Yay! That's my girl. Always supporting daddy.
Wait. Only she didn't like the village. You're not serious. You don't know what you want.
I want. You see, that mango. If you just want some, you just pluck it. Anything you want.
You just go and pluck.
That's it.
Without even asking the owner.
No, it's free. But in the city, you will have to pay for everything.
I know. Well, I don't like the village. That's the truth.
I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I hope you're not hot.
What are you guys? What are you doing on the road? What are you people doing on the road?
I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry.
What can you imagine?
I'm so sorry.
What can you imagine? Can you imagine that?
Once again, I'm so sorry.
Like, are you joking?
Thank God, though.
Finally.
Finally, we home.
That's right.
Yes.
Ah.
Like I'm very happy. Come here. You okay?
Yeah.
Good. Okay.
Yeah.
Well, finally. I'm not happy.
Why?
Yes, of course, because I need to speak you already.
Listen, babe, I know, but don't forget, we'll just be here for 1 year.
Yeah, right. 1 year.
Yeah.
Anyways, that's fine. Can you imagine? Those years, they almost put us in trouble.
Oh, you mean those village girls?
Yeah.
They are very carefree. I just thank God nothing happened.
Like, seriously. I was actually so scared.
Alright, you can welcome.
I got it.
What up, baby?
Respect yourself. Hi! My love, I didn't know you're here.
You're not taking your studies seriously. You're not really serious with your studies. All you do is sit down here, play games, gossip with Usamaka. I pay so much money to register you in a private center. Huh? Just take a look at your sister.
Baby, I am trying now. Will I kill myself because I want to pass jam?
Go back, Popo.
Well done, my sweetheart. You are doing well. You are doing well.
Thank you so much, darling. But I promise I will work hard to pass my jam this time around.
Did you just hear that?
But you, Nko, I don't know why you're my twin sister. I don't just know. Am I not supposed to be?
That's so boring at times.
Hello. Good day, sir.
Hi.
Yeah.
Good day.
Wait, are you not the same girl that I met the other day? The one that almost ran into my car?
Yes, sir, I am.
So you're twins?
Yes, sir. We are.
This is lovely. You know,
and this is my cousin.
Oh, your
yes.
cousin?
Yes.
Nice to
Good
meet you.
afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
You see, I've always prayed to God to give me twins. Huh? Maybe God will bless me from here if I decide to make you my friend.
That's so true, sir. It works like that if you befriend twins, sir.
I can't wait. Please, if you don't mind. I don't know where you're heading to, but I can give you a lift.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Come on, enter the water. Yes, sir. We are going, sir.
Open mind, and free heart. What is dying for?
Okay, sir.
If all for men, love of twins.
I didn't know you were twins.
We are twins, sir.
Yeah.
I'm the other one.
Oh, really?
Don't mind the way she's behaving. Just that she's not happy this morning. I don't know why.
I understand. Hello?
Evening, sir. How are you and your family?
I am fine. But I have told you, stop calling me sir. My name is Emeka. Huh?
I'm sorry, sir. Oh, Mr. Mecca.
It's okay. It's okay. So how are you? How's your mother and everybody?
They are fine. I just called to say hi and to also ask if I can see
you one-on-one these days just to greet you?
Maybe during the weekend. Weekend is fine.
All right.
Just take care of yourself, huh?
Bye, sir. Sorry, Mr. Mecca. Bye.
Okay.
No, not like that.
Okay. Oh shit, let's start again.
Kiss too.
See, I'm stressing myself. That's why I'm telling you, tell your mom to give us twins, a boy and a girl, so that still be balanced. Tell her.
Mommy, please give us twins.
Adora, is your mommy the maker of twins?
See me see trouble, eh? Don't mind your daddy. He has always been obsessed with having twins. Instead of it to go and pray, you're telling me to give it. Am I God?
Yes, I know you know what to do. Now let me tell you, if you give me twins, I will buy you 3 houses and 3 cars. You? How about you 10 cows?
Come, Naya, leave my husband alone. Come out.
What's your own jealousy?
What? Yeah, jealousy of my husband.
So you'll be writing JAM in the next 3 months?
Yes, I and my twin sister have taken it before, but twice, but we didn't make it. So we're hoping that this time around we're going to make it.
You will make it. You'll make it. I pray so. All you need to do is to be very hardworking. Yes, and you said you live with your twin sister, your mother, and your cousin.
Yes.
Nice. If you don't mind, I can pay you a visit. Or do you have a boyfriend?
No, it's fine. My mom will understand that you're my friend.
I know, but you have not answered my question. Do you have a boyfriend?
No, I don't have a boyfriend.
Okay. I'll just drop you off in your house.
Okay. But can I give you a hug?
Sure.
Love of twins. Quest for twins.
You're welcome. Hey, welcome, sir. Welcome, sir. You're welcome.
Good afternoon.
Let me get a seat for you.
Don't worry. Don't.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
You're welcome.
Good afternoon, sir. You're welcome, sir. You're welcome.
Mama, my name is Emeka. Yes, I'm from this village. Although I don't live here. I just came here for a 1-year project. And your daughter here is my friend.
Yes.
You're welcome, my son.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Yes, village is a nice place to relate yourself sometimes. Whose son are you?
The late Mazi Okonkwo. My name is Emeka Okonkwo.
Mazi Okonkwo?
Yes, the popular one.
Well, even though I don't know your father, but I've heard of him. You're welcome, my son. Go and get him chair. Go.
Don't worry yourself.
You're looking fine, sir.
Thank you. I'll be on my way.
Even drinking water, let's off. Are you okay?
Let me see more.
Welcome,
sir.
Oh.
Hey, honey.
Hey, babe. Hello, sweetheart. I'm fine, thank you.
Good. Babe, what are you staring at?
You have a lipstick stain on your shirt? Who gave you that lipstick stain?
Babe, you see, I carried a baby. Yes, a baby I saw at the supermarket. So I know, babe.
An open mind person and free heart. What is dying for?
Just messed up.
If I fall in love of twins, yeah. Love of twins.
Auntie, are you okay?
West for twins.
Auntie, what is the problem?
Your brother is cheating on me.
Cheating on you? Auntie, why will you say that? My brother loves you so much. He loves his family. He can't do that.
He is cheating on me. The signs are there. I saw a lipstick stain on my husband's shirt.
Oh my God. Auntie, please, don't conclude yet. It might not be what you think. Okay, fine, relax. Have you asked him?
I did.
Okay.
And he was trying so hard to cover up. I just walked away.
Auntie, it is okay. You have been so good to me and my family. You're like a sister to me. And I'll not watch any woman make you cry. Not even my brother. I promise I will do everything possible to protect you. Henceforth, you need to monitor the calls and the messages coming into his phone. Yes.
Adana, you're very funny. You always crack me up. Yes. No, I'm good. Just working. No, work is very stressful. You want to come and help me out? I mean, forget that thing you're saying. Meanwhile, how is Adana? You go to lesson today? Huh? Answer me, John. Why are you keeping me quiet? Did you send the report today? Send the report. Send it now. Babe.
Who was that?
Oh, Ikenna. I asked him to send me the project report. He will send it now. Send it now.
Your food is ready.
Oh, okay. Nice. I'll just... Yeah.
See, Mama, I came to collect the list.
Yeah.
So I can start planning. Emma Kubodode,
I know.
So one needs to plan ahead.
Wow. It's good to look for a black goat in the daytime before night. But I have to confirm from the elders. At least I will inform them first. It's them that will give us the date.
What you said is right. So, man, come on enough.
No.
Mama, you can come on enough.
I will do fast, definitely.
On the woman.
I know. I know.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. How are you?
I'm fine, sir.
Yes.
I'm so sorry. Adana has gone out for a lesson.
Lesson?
Yes.
Well, she told me that she won't be attending lesson today.
I don't know.
What about Mama? Let me greet her.
No. Mama is not around. She has gone out. Yes. In fact, everyone has gone out. Even me. Mama, we're going out.
Okay.
Yes.
It's not a problem. Just take care of yourself, huh?
I will. Thank you. Take care. You're looking good, sir. Take care. Bye-bye, sir.
An open mind person and free heart. What is dying for? If I fall a man, love of twins, yeah. Love of twins. Quest for twins. What is he looking for outside? He has a beautiful wife waiting for him at home. What is he looking for outside? He has a beautiful wife waiting for him at home. A vicious woman, a beautiful woman.
Adana, what we did is not right. I mean, I just wanted us to be friends. The only reason I got attracted to you is because you're a twin. Somehow I find myself obsessed with twins.
I'm sorry I pushed into that. It won't happen again, but that's how I feel about you.
But I am a married man with a wife and a child. You should know that. I love my family so much and I won't want anything to jeopardize that. Here. The money you requested for. This is to get what you want.
Thank you! Thank you!
It's okay. It's alright.
Thank you.
It's okay. Welcome, Mom.
You're welcome.
Adana, I ask you again. Who is that man to you and what relationship do you have with him?
He's just my friend.
Eh?
He's just her friend.
Just a friend?
Yes, Mama.
How can you be keeping a male friend when you know you are getting married soon?
Mama, it's not just a male friend, but a married man as well.
Chinekeme, a married man?
Yes, Mama, with a child.
Hey! Asherebakute, who asked you? Who asked you?
Adana, a married man!
You won't even mind your business.
Don't mind her.
Who told you?
A married man.
Mama, he
Adana,
was.
you are keeping a married man as a friend. With a married man with a child.
No. He's no longer married.
He was, Mama.
Yes, he was before.
He was?
Yes.
He's no longer married.
Yes, Mama.
Did you tell him you are getting married soon?
An open mind person and free heart. What he's dying for? If I fall a man, love of twins. Twins, yeah.
Yes. Trust me now. I can't come right now.
Please now. Try and come right away.
You don't understand. I am so busy as I speak to you. Do you know that I had to put you on loudspeaker so that I can walk and talk to you at the same time?
On speaker?
Yes.
Is your wife not around?
No, she's not around.
So you're coming, sweetheart. I miss you and I just want to see you and kiss you again.
Listen, I understand. You want to kiss me. When you see me tomorrow, you will kiss me. If that's what you want, no problem. But for today, I need to work, alright? I will see you tomorrow. Just take care of yourself.
Okay, see you soon.
What is he looking for outside? He has a beautiful wife waiting for him at home. What is he looking for outside? He has a beautiful wife waiting for
So today's we're doing mathematics. How many tens are there in all? How many tens can you see? How many tens can you see here? Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many tens are there in all? So write the answer. Good girl. Okay, so let's do the second one. So we have 400, 359, 927. Aluchi, how are you? 1, 5, and 305. So right now,
there's something I want to tell you.
Okay. Oh, okay. Sweetheart, you have to go inside now, okay? I'll call you back when we're done, okay? See you.
Bye.
Bye.
Auntie.
Yes.
You know I told you I'll do everything to protect you and not to let another woman take away your happiness.
What is going on?
Auntie, please. I am not doing this for you to have problem with my brother or to destroy your home. I am only doing this for you to secure your home.
You're confusing me, Oluchi. I am becoming very impatient. What is going on?
My brother is actually cheating on you.
You bastard! Is this how you want to pay me back? For being a loyal wife?
What's going on, baby?
Don't you ever call me that name, you cheating bastard! After how many years of marriage? Tell me, what does she have that I don't have?
I don't understand what you're talking about. You're getting me confused. What is going on?
An open mind person and free heart. What he's dying for? If I fall a man, love of twins. Twins, yeah. Love of twins. Quest for twins. What is he looking for outside? He has a beautiful wife waiting for him at home. What is he looking for outside? He has a beautiful wife waiting for him at home.
Good afternoon.
Afternoon.
Please, do you know this person?
Oh, yeah, I know her. Okay. But which of them are you looking for? Is it Adane or Adana? They are very popular in this village, but one is good and one is very bad.
Oh, no, I'm actually looking for one.
I said there are two. Which one?
Whatever. Please, can you just direct me to their house?
Their house? Oh, okay, I'm actually going towards that side, so I'll just show you the house. Let's go. Oh, it's this way.
Thank you.
A vicious woman, a beautiful woman, she can do anything just to secure.
This man again. Eh? In fact, today I am going to tell him to leave my daughter alone. Yes, he should leave my daughter alone and face his family. Mama, for what? They are just friends. What do you mean by they are just friends? Eh? Friends with a married man. It doesn't matter. He was married. He was married. Yes. Hey,
Mama, it's not him.
I guess this is your daughter.
Yes, she's my daughter.
Yes, she's the mother.
Tell your useless daughter to leave my husband alone.
Hey!
Emeka Okonkwo. The man she's chasing up and down is my lawful wedded husband. And we have a beautiful daughter together. Tell your daughter that she is messing with the wrong person.
Oh! Hell!
I will not repeat myself.
A vicious woman, a beautiful woman.
Hey!
She can do anything just to secure her marriage.
Okay, Kurumeku. Ochajana. Okay, Kurumeku. I said it.
To secure her marriage,
Are you alright? Okay, Nwa, you and I have gone a long way. We are like brothers. Please tell me, what is the problem?
Adana is cheating on me.
Mba, no. Mba, no. Tell me it's not true. Adana cannot do such a thing.
Mama, leave me alone. Mama, leave me alone.
Leave you alone.
Mama, leave me alone now.
I should leave you alone. Hey, heaven will bear me witness. Oh, yes. Anyway, that I am not in support of this atrocity.
Mama, which atrocity are you talking about? No, I want to understand. Which atrocity are you talking about? Is it a crime to have a male friend?
I wonder.
Must they end in bed? Must they? Mama, it's obvious they like each other. And decided to be friends.
Eh?
There's nothing wrong there.
Uzamaka, stop supporting evil all the time. What do you mean by being a friend with a married man? Now the wife is awake and she came here with a threat. And you're here talking rubbish.
Listen, Adanna. Henceforth, I want you to cut off everything you have with that man.
Yes.
Cut off that relationship immediately and face your husband to be. You see that woman that came here? Even looking at that woman, you will understand that that woman is very dangerous.
Mama, Biko, do. Just leave me alone. Every time you be shaking for any small thing. Is this your attitude that makes someone like you to take your husband away from you? Adanna? Yes! A woman like you took our father away till now, and this is 15 years. And what do? They're still living together. And now you're telling me that I should leave someone's husband alone. For what? Because of what, Mama? Just answer me!
Mama, listen. This man treats her well. He treats her like his queen. Where can you find such man now? Where? Mama, just let them be. No compost aside for their gari. No compost aside for their gari.
Both of you are shameless. I'm so disappointed and I'm ashamed to call you my sister, twice of my twins. How dare you remind Mama of her past where she has been from? I think two of you have gone crazy. And then stop being jealous. Stop being jealous. Let's go, Zamaka. If anything happens to her mother, you know my other side. You know I've been keeping quiet. Let anything happen to her mother. And then you will do nothing. Nothing will happen to her. Let's go. Adanna, let anything happen to her mother. That's when you know why. Stop crying. Stop crying.
Heartless. I mean, how could you? Why would you break someone's leg? An innocent girl.
An innocent girl? Someone you're sleeping with? Huh? You even have the guts to come here to confront me?
You know, I asked myself a question. Someone that has the mind, the wicked mind to break someone's leg, that person must be very dangerous. I need to be very careful with you.
Really? Tell your girlfriend that next time I will pour acid on her ugly face. Do you hear me?